Attention seeker.
So ugly.
Attention seeker.
So ugly.
Do you even own a mirror? That haircut is tragic, Elmo.
Girl, you don't deserve followers.
So ugly. So ugly.
Shame on you.
Girl, you don't deserve followers.
Have you ever wondered if bullying happened while you are scrolling in your newsfeed or any social media account?
Yes, you heard it right. Bullying also occurs in all social media platforms and it's called cyberbullying.
First, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is a bullying that happens over devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. It includes standing, posting, sharing negative, false, harmful, or mean content about someone else. It is recognized as a form of harassment using any social media platforms.
Where is mostly cyberbullying occurs? It's on social media such as Facebook, like sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else and any other social media.
What is the effect of cyberbullying to a person? The victim of cyberbullying may experience anxiety, depression, and other stress-related conditions. It can steal their feeling of happiness and self-confidence.
How to prevent cyberbullying and respond to it? You must keep your social media accounts and turn off location sharing. Don't share personal information online, including phone, number, email, address, or school. If sign of cyberbullying has been shown, don't hesitate to report online bullying to the social media platform. You can also report online bullying to a trusted adult.
If any form of cyberbullying happen, please don't hesitate to report incidents to school authorities or directly to law enforcement agencies like Philippine National Police, Anti-Cybercrime Group, and National Bureau of Investigation, Cybercrime Division to file a complaint and seek for the investigation.
In a learning community must help to spread awareness about the cyberbullying that's happening in our generation.
Stop cyberbullying.